Now I'm showing you something what whole Europe been talking about several weeks. No, it's not that Scoot, but it's €9 train ticket. €9 train ticket. Usually this trip takes me about €25, 120 kilometers by train. Now I can do it with €9. And I can travel with that ticket whole Germany and whole month. Scoot is still here. Ooh. So now finally in Hamburg train station, main train station of Hamburg. Ticket price €9, and the ticket is valid for 1 month, and I can travel the whole country of Germany with that one ticket during this 1 month. Most of the trains are included for the ticket, but not the fastest one, IC and ICE. They are not in, but all other trains are in. The best one what I'm using is this regional express train RE, which I use today also, but it's also these local trains inside the cities and between the cities are included for the ticket. It's really good. And I will take another train, U-Bahn here, and have a look a little bit around the Hamburg, and that also includes for that €9 ticket. Hamburg Hafen. So trains are not very full today because I'm traveling during the weekdays and the middle of the day, but I heard over the weekends the trains are fully packed and really full of people. Anyway, why government want to offer this kind of thing for the people with €9 tickets in the train? And by the way, it's valid 3 months, June, July and August. Well, obvious reason is that energy price is up, the fuel price is up, everything is up, the food price is up. So the government wants to support something for the people, and at least traveling is now cheaper. It's actually very cheap. And the second thing is, of course, this is encouraging people to use the public transportation, because the private cars are still very, very popular in Germany and the most common way to travel for most of the people. But now the train is so cheap, 3 months, that you should use it. Everyone, if you can. But only here in Germany. And then traveling back. Again, U-Bahn and then RE train. By the way, I talked with some local people here who are using a car, and they said it's notably less car here in Hamburg because of this train ticket. Don't know, maybe.
Bei und zur Alster-Touristik. Next stop, Rathaus. Please exit here for Town Hall and Alster Road. Ausstieg rechts.
What I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.
Train system in Germany is quite good. You have several systems here. You have a IC, ICE, regional express. You have a S-Bahn inside the city, which is the the short distance trains, and you have also underground almost everywhere. Plus you have a trams and buses and everything. So there's a lot of systems. It's good, but there is something bad also with the trains. Especially nearby the big cities, the trains are very full very frequently. Every morning, every evening, every weekend they are full, which is leading for the next problem. They are really frequently late. And it's cumulative. If the one train is late, then the second train is late, and so on. So trains are very normally very full and quite often late, but they are good. €9 train ticket, tested and approved. It's good, it works. But train was really full, and I can imagine really how full it will be during the weekends, mornings, evenings, plus during the August when the local people have their holidays.